Today I'm going to take you around the lowest clear view balcony on Queen Anne. It's a BF grade and I'm going to show you how to get the most amazing balcony. So stay with me, it's cabin 4186. If you stay till the end, my friend Lisa, who stayed in this cabin, is going to tell you all the amazing points that you're going to love about this cabin.
Okay, so you use this for your room attendant, make your room up, or if you're having a sleep, you put that side out, and you've got the air conditioning unit here. Any card will do, if you don't want to use your stateroom card, and then you've got electrics here. Moving on, you've got all these wardrobes of different types of hanging space, and your life jackets and your safe. And some hangers for these beautiful robes. You've got a further wardrobe here with more space. You can remove the bar if you want to put long dresses in here. And your telephone. You've got USB, USB-C, American and a UK plug socket, and your lights. You've also got your light switches on and off on the base of this, which is a good idea. Flat screen television right across from the bed. Moving around here, there's no English socket here, just the American, your USB, USB-C, and each side of the bed are your bedside cabinets with a few little drawers, lovely little couch, and beautiful artwork. Moving over here, you've got tea, coffee, shelves, and your fridge, which is here. Plenty of space for your goodies, and a drawer under here for the hairdryer, and a mirror. So just take a look at it again. Beautiful cabin.
If you like this video, then please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future Queen Anne videos.
So I'm with Lisa today, who's our friend and has been on the cruise with us. She's kindly let us use her balcony so we can share this amazing space, because as you can see, it's not a regular sized balcony. So what have you enjoyed about your cabin? It is at the aft of the ship and quite low down. What have you enjoyed about the cabin, Lisa?
The extra room has been made such a difference. It's the back of the ship, but we've not particularly noticed it. This room we've counted as about 6 cabins from the back, roughly. There's nothing underneath us, so it's been quite quiet. And then above us there, we've just got other balconies.
So I'll come and show you how far from the back it is. Just about to see the back. And then you are overlooked from these cabins a little bit, but you can always sit underneath here if you really want to be private. But it's just a lovely space, and you've said you've really enjoyed the extra space, haven't you, being able to sit out?
Really enjoyed the extra space, and what we particularly loved about it, I don't know whether it was just with Cunard, is that there's the soft closed doors, which has made such a difference, which doesn't disturb our neighbours, and likewise we don't get disturbed. I tell you what, it's
I think you'll agree this is a beautiful cabin with an amazing balcony. Thanks for watching. If you want to see any other cabin reviews, we have inside ocean views and an accessible cabin. Just click the link above.